What if I tell you a man once left his home with a sword in his hand to kill the Prophet but returned as one of the greatest Muslim in history? Hello, my dear friends, I hope you are well. Today I am going to share a powerful and life changing story, the story of Umar ibn al-Khattab. At that time, Islam was weak. Muslims were tortured, beaten, and forced to hide their faith. And among their biggest enemies was Umar ibn al-Khattab, strong, fearless, and full of anger against Islam. One day he made a decision: I will kill Prophet Muhammad and end this religion forever. With a sword in his hand, he walked out. On the way, someone stopped him and said, "Before you do that, look at your own house. Your sister has accepted Islam." Umar was shocked and furious. He rushed to his sister's house. Inside, his sister and her husband were quietly reciting the Holy Quran. When Umar entered, he started beating them in anger. But then he saw blood on his sister's face. His heart started to change. He said, "Give me what you were reading." They said, "You are not pure. First, wash yourself." Umar washed, came back, and started reading the Holy Quran. Those words were not normal words. They shook his heart. His anger melted. His eyes filled with tears. He said, "How beautiful, how powerful are these words." At that moment, Umar accepted Islam. Now, the same man who left to kill the Prophet went straight to him. He knocked on the door. The companions were afraid. But when Umar entered, he said loudly, "I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger." That day, everything changed. Islam became strong. Umar prayed openly at the Kaaba. No fear, no hesitation. The enemies who once oppressed Muslims now feared Umar. No matter how far you are, you can always come back to Allah. One moment can change your entire life. If you are like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, guidance can come even at the last moment. Thank you for watching my videos.